Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free supply crates and rewards within the Ramboat 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ramboat 2 game on your device. And if you're playing for the first time, you will need to play the campaign mode and reach at least level 3, which will then unlock the warehouse mode. After this, whenever you are connected online, you will get a free crate reward that you can tap on in order to claim your rewards. You can simply wait for the displayed amount of time in order to claim your next reward if you want your rewards for free. You can also tap on Warehouse and you will have 3 different options to purchase various different crates. Tap on your desired crate in order to spend your currency within the game in order to buy this crate right away, and whatever reward is within will be added to your inventory and you can use it to customize your character or upgrade your weapons. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get free rewards and supply crates on the Ramboat 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.